Laitkam byllai multiple job vacancies. Kijing bentip Laitkam kumbakat sautali ngila bulang hakaneka video kabamantah. Kita ngikam la pentip dengan SyrwetuBarim. Nangta kanikam badai kasi anpenar voice contributors and running motors next klik rehat nta batki uai kita ngikam la pentip dakini kijakatrai private ba pher nyapat ini kijing pentip Laitkam kawai hadin kawai pat. Kanai banangkong yapat jangan ke Spring Recruitment Drive bala pentip dekat Divisional Employment Exchange Shillong. Kanai cimentan dekat 24/7 ai. Kekam kadai Customer Associate Voice Process International. Kibala bangun cimentah kanai ke Spring Recruitment Drive kidai kita bala pendap jempule class 12 nama graduate ki freshers lo kilaban cimentah. Dekat senam kidai kita baran perangkat prah dolai pusan senam untuk baran good communication skills. But ya gitu kibadan lupa kata prior BPO experience kin sa kamyo jing la ban kam sha jit ki post palat nak bentang dekat voice customer associate voice process ka kadan hadu unriu pautli tes awan sim bentah tegini pecucu siapa habi ada hebat kane kajing bentep tegila batai kila airu ya kitu ki QR code kapadang ya ni video nyapai required skills, excellent verbal communication, active listening and empathy, problem solving and patience, customer handling ability. Tag benefits lah benjok kata attractive salary, performance incentives, paid training, but growth opportunities. Ya taga Spring Recruitment Drive kim pelong ha khandai tereg benai ya yong arja penriu naduk kapor khatway baje mastap office jong Divisional Employment Exchange Keating Road Shillong. Kelak scan how to QR code ane tuka Google form link balai ban register yang ada dalam tangan dekat Spring Recruitment Drive. Dan kita badan di qualification badan kam kembali kedau bat kiba ko aban simenta sa register yang ada bawan simenta ha kanika Spring Recruitment Drive. Ya pat sakane kijing pentem nak running motors nexa ka badan hapo clear yat laran by am laran kijakat lagi clear yat laran by am laran am tak post resident relationship manager field work. Kibala pendap jeng pulai kelas 12 sajrong kila bantap takas senam kedai banlong hapedang arpo balai pusan senam senrang berkentai kila bantap ta ki fresher by experience kila bantap ta kino kena bakwa bantap ya ka ne ka kam resident relationship manager field work but join ya ka team jong ka ne academic team kila ban pha ya ka resume jong pi sha ka showroom na ne ha to kai email raninexa.recruitment@gmail.com tarik khaddo kadai sipau tarik benaya yong ar pohon riu. Tinga paj mentasa kani jipentep na SyrwetuBarim Mariang Jingking Jeri Cooperative Federation Limited. The court application na benta kani kawai ke jipentep kadai naga admin and program support. Ka SyrwetuBarim Mariang Jingking Jeri of Cooperative Federation Limited SUB MJJ CF court application namta bantung Laitkam kata administration and program support ha contractual basis. Areas of management, the office administration, program support, documentation and reporting, basic accounts, field coordination. Kibala bantap, kibala pendap graduate ha non orang pule nang tabadan experience kumba arsnam haki NGO cooperative background kin kam saji tu so the basic computer knowledge. Key attributes: organized and reliable, good communication, basic documentation skills, team-oriented and adaptable, willing for field work. Kita remuneration kita kum ka role, experience, but organization norms. Pendap register yang ba tu QR code yang ba Google form link ba pin apply ya kan kam. Tarik kado kadai khatwai tarik benaya yong arja penriu kan ka office kadan hapo maulai umsing nehu main road next to Chill Out Cafe Shillong 793008. Kala ada email ro pakin kli punya kan admin at SyrwetuBarim.com. Tempat sana ka bayro kadai jemput dep nak SyrwetuBarim Mariang Jingking Jeri Cooperative Federation Limited. Kanai pa kadai nam ta kanai restaurant and store operations. The areas of management habedai bat kanai kam restaurant and store operations kadai restaurant and kitchen support, the service and customer handling, store and retail operations, inventory and stock management, billing and basic systems handling. Nang tak balak bentap graduate and candidates with relevant experience in hospitality. Have the experience in hospitality, retail, but service sector. The prior experience kalong desirable. Experience with local or community-based organization will be an advantage. Done ka computer knowledge, habilay baki billing, baki reports, baki QA, the good interpersonal and customer service skills. Key attributes have long friendly, service-oriented attitude, ability to work in a team and fast-paced environment, willingness to learn and adapt. The jingkamay kum ka role experience but organizational norms and sasio. The ban apply perhaps you pendap online ng bata Google Form link dan perhaps scan itu QR code kumbagan yo tu ni QR code kedap ai ya ka Google Form link ro kla ai tapi la ban scan ni sabu ia dengan link jong de QR code sabu ia dengan link jong Google Form link hapot description ro ba pila karena begitu bakwa bantap badan qualification bala bantap ken kamsuk tak balik Google Form link bagian bu ban yo apply dak pasuk Tara kado kan mau kadai khatwai trek uyayong anja penriu. Hakan ka top ka bobot mentapat ngilabuk lang kumba South League jing pentep Laitkam kepaning kong ni bathok wanted assistant coach with minimum 2 years coaching experience at reputed lawns ball sports organization and academy club but can kamjit hekto badan taka at least 1 year with elite athletes badan bentap the elite athletes or teams the certificate or diploma in coaching hak concern sport naki respective international or national sports federation and association. The essential qualification platform diploma in coaching from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Subhash National Institute of Sports or equivalent. Cakatrai deh pok Shillong Meghalaya tarik hadok dain riu tarik yayong aja penriu. Piap su apply dak bapa resume juhi kod Barim kam cakatok email hrmeglawnballs@gmail.com. Tasakan ka way ka bathok job card application nam taki experience but ki fresher nam da kam telecaller ha ki US voice process kane kadai tang ka night shift hab don kata ka good command ha ki English but hab don ro ka jingnang ha batri kam computer qualification dei bla pass graduate ka jing save khatsan hajar to arpusan hajarแต่นับตั้งจริงๆบักคำเละพิลาบันชูคอนแทคในเมสเซจเขาขึ้นได้เหนียวซาเวอร์ไลน์ริวขึ้นได้แต่สักการณ์ก็ไว้กระทบางฮิดันการมีการ smart but hard working people นักบันตากิลุมgiant hills กับ age criteria นับดัน life post นำเสจรัง qualification แบบเป็นได้ class 10เสจรังแต่กลับเป็นบันตาเขาพระเนียว sun light sun not อาร์เนียวนักบันตาจริงๆบักคำเนี่ยแต่สักการณ์ก็ไว้บัดทอ data entry operator กัน data entry operator หากเนกจักรไตรก็ได้นังคิวอิรัต Indian Gas Agency beran hapok Shillong. Kibala pendap jeng pule bachelors but badan omduna ya ka arsnem experience nata basa Shillong. Taki skills beran kam nam ta kanika post data and operator habdan ka typing speed but typing accuracy. Ta habdan kata kajing long attention to detail. Computer skills habnang batrekam MS Office, Google Sheets, data management skills, analytical skills, the multitasking abilities. Contain kasi Hindi English. Pihak pa email siya katoka, resume jam his tak email balai. Tang ya pet sa kanai kathop. Kanai kawai banengkong kathop voice contributors. Badan kam nam taki itu contain kasi bat penar. Kajing siu kadai daki kentah. Ni rang kwa ban thong nong trekam na kita ki native speaker balong nong kren haktin khasi la ne penar ban kren ye ki sentences balatha haktin jongki nak bentak research project ta ka basic reading skills nang ta banang penan kam bala badan ya ka smartphone badan baka internet connection ka jisi udah early basis kacaka katrai de na po ying taแต่พระเอกemail jong pi scan to QR code อันนี้พระชะกะตัวเอีเมล crowd send @gmail.com เนี่ยก็resume jong pi แต่นักวิจัย advertisement กับ reputed star force ตามไปขบวนวัดที่กับ code application นำแต่กับ post spa therapist กันในเรื่องไทยบัตรกับ cam steward พระเอก resumeจงพีชะกะ hrm@dynastyhotel.in อันนี้เขา number คันได้เนียวนอตริวซาวซันไลซันอาร์ซา Tersakan kawai ka bathok light kre hajawai ka home care management HCM kedan kam yai kena senang bakan thai nak benta ka jingtrai. Ki bala pendap jing pulai kelas 5 sajrong kasnam kadai banlong hapok lai pusan snam. Ka jingsi bajing kamai kala bandon haprang kadai haprang riu hajah du khatsan hajar. Ta kita bakwa bantap kila ai ta phone number ban phone kendai lai pra lai wei prasan ar kendai ar nyau not prasan pra kendai san ar wei kendai nanai kendai lai pra lai wei pra itu number tentang nyapat san ka wei pan ka jing pentep beran kam briu ya ki khasi bajan tia kamba sispa ngot ki kentai bat cenrang ka office bakateng office chong kopi associates ka jing si khatsan hajar do ar pho hajar ka post BM AM TM di MD Jawai kelaban pun riu not kendai sao nyau san ar sao not hai halai kelengkap kelaban pun tanambat kendai pran riu ar pra ar lai nata shillong pra nyau lai ar not riu kendai not pra ar da umsneng riu hoi kelaban pun tanambat balai kli red ro kelaban pun how to number balai tanang sang nyapat sakani kathom kani kathok wai kam arja ban riu kani de haka takam your choice kadon ka company ka office ban beli thamai branch thamai Jawai prangot kliret nyongot amlarem nyongot kasnan kapra do arpu prasnan kajigsi nyop hajah do kat arhajar kat kum performance kasan ka free accommodation but ka facility na mataki kentai pela pendap jimpulai kelas 10 student kelaban simata tarik kado dai south tarik u benai ya yong arja penri kelaban pun riu not kendai sausan prasa ara tasakane kam jimpentep na ta motirams ka khot bang balaki kam nam taki kam bari kam sales bat ki helpers haka dukan design jingsi unriu hajar do khasan hajar depending haki experience ability talking skills work movement te bala bantap kedai itu bala dan arpos nam sajrong nangta kajing trai kedai permanen tenam da jiti bakhamne phila malaysia suli mi ero ha kata kadukan jongka motiram berada po JS Road opposite Lila Brothers near Kimpong Restaurant Hostel Monsoon Building Silang. Tegine kita gijing pentep Laitkam ki bagila lomlang bantep sepi ki papat barok. Kublai sibo ni pi barok papat tasatap yang ni kam ada ki yadai bat ki qualification jopi bat ki jing trang jopi. Kublai sibo.